This video has some helpful tips on how to make the best breakfast sandwich. Fry up 2 strips of bacon, cut in half, fit in your pan. You only need 3 half strips so you can eat one. I don't like it when I bite into a bacon sandwich and I don't bite clean through the bacon and I pull out the entire bacon strip. So I'm going to cut up the bacon. If you don't have any kitchen shears, then get some. You might say, I like cutting stuff with a knife. That's what shears are, 2 knives. Make 1 piece of toast. Hover your butter over the toaster to melt your butter a little. Now butter that toast. Now we need an egg over easy with salt and pepper. Let's make our sandwich. Bacon pieces go on. Slide the egg on. I don't like biting into a runny yolk and it drips down my hand. So I'm going to spread it out some so I get some yummy yolk in every bite. That's it. Enjoy.